Hi, my name is Ashby Johnson, principal at Journey Middle School. Just want to share a few things about the importance of Parent Portal and making sure that families are signed up for Parent Portal. It is a great and quick communication tool that schools can use with families to let them know where their child is in terms of their grades, their attendance, their tardies. There's important forms you can fill out on there. You can often view your lunch balance, that sort of thing. And so it's just a great way that families can very quickly understand where their student is and what they can maybe assist with or what they can partner with the teacher on. We post schedules in Parent Portal. A lot of times the bus routes are in Parent Portal for families to view, so it just has a lot of important information for families to know about the school. And it's a very quick way. You can have an app on your phone, and it's a very quick way that families can get a snapshot of where their student is and anything that they can help with or partner with us on. Family engagement is very important so that we can work together to support the child in their education. And so this is one tool that we can use together just to quickly communicate grades, attendance, tardies, and that sort of thing, because those are all successful components of a child's education.
Parent Portal es una manera que las familias pueden saber cómo están sus estudiantes con sus notas. Si no tienes acceso a Parent Portal, puedes llamar a las escuelas y la oficina te puede ayudar. Es una manera que pueden comunicar con la escuela y tener éxito con los estudiantes. Hello, I am Patricia Mariscal, teacher at Journey Middle School. We use Parent Portal as a way to communicate with families and students on how they are doing with their academic success. We share not just only their grades, but also their completion of certain assignments that are just for formative assessments, and as well as putting in details on how they are working in class in the comment section. Parent Portal is an important tool that we can use to enhance family and school communication. Last school year, I had a family reach out with questions about the student's grade. So together with looking at Parent Portal as a starting point, we were able to create a plan to help the student succeed academically. Parent Portal is a great tool that we can use to share live information about how a student's doing in the classroom. So parents have access to this through the app or online, and it really helps us keep a good progression chart of how the student is doing based off of our goals we set together. Parent Portal can be accessed any time of the day or any day of the week.
I'm Clayton Verplank. I'm a counselor at Journey Middle School. And if you do not know if you're signed up or you're not using Parent Portal or you don't have it yet, it's very important that you contact your student's school and make sure that you get signed up. You can call the main office or your school's registrar, and they will print out a list of instructions and steps for you to take with a username and password, and will get you set up. You can also get that printed out in other languages, your home language, so that you can understand how to get that set up and start communicating and partnering with your student's school, which is really important. As a counselor, I use it as a tool in my work every day, both with students and families. I use it as an organization tool with my students, and with families, I use it as a tool for helping them to partner with teachers in looking for missing work and assignments when they go on the portal. And I think that that is something that's very valuable in making that homeschool connection and partnering with the school. And using it as that tool can only help our students become more successful. One very important advantage of using the Parent Portal is that it's real time. So you don't have to wait till the end of a quarter or semester to see where your student is in a course, that you are seeing it along the way. So hopefully we can catch if a student is missing assignments or didn't do well on a test and maybe needs to revisit that content. And we can help our students advocate, which is what I try to teach my students in my role as counselor, and work on that skill to revisit, email their teacher, reach out to their teacher, talk to them about how they can make up that assignment or how they can work with them after school to retake an assessment. So that's a a really big advantage that you are seeing it in real time and not waiting to the end of a quarter or a semester with no time left to be able to improve that grade.